Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, I am here on my roof and it's morning time. It's not too much morning, but yes, we can say it's 9:30. So yes, it's morning time and you can see the sun. The sun is shining very brightly and so it seems like afternoon, but not, it's not afternoon, it's morning 9:30 a.m. and I am here on my roof. So today I woke up early morning around 5 a.m. I have done my whole household chores. I have taken bath. I have done my worship. So after doing all my thing, I thought why not go up and create a video because today is Makar Sankranti. So I really want to wish you guys and may this Makar Sankranti brings all happiness, desire, all the thing that you wanted to achieve in your life, and will give you happiness, desire, health, wealth, good relationship, all the thing. So this is my wishes to you guys. And okay, so there is a question like why I woke up early in the morning. So as I said you earlier, like today is Makar Sankranti and Makar Sankranti is celebrated on 14th or 15th January generally, but in this year 2025 it is celebrated on 14th January. So today is 14th January, so that's why I woke up early morning because I want to take a bath, as I wanted to take a bath early morning before rising the sun. And after taking a bath, I give some water to the sun and I give some sweet thing like jaggery and to the sun. So this is our devotion. I think this is our devotion to the sun because every time he gives us light, you know, and without light we can't live in this planet. So this is our few devotion we can do things. So that's why I'm not thinking too much why we take a bath early morning in a cold day. No, I just want to apply all the thing without thinking too much, because you know this is the thing that our ancestor were doing so many times. So we can do just a little thing, not too much thinking about it why it is happening. So yes, let's talk about something in English. So I just want to tell you that there is a thing like people asked me that, ma'am, how to learn this language, how to search some topic on which we can easily speak in English. I just want to tell you, you don't need to search any topic on which you can learn some speech. You can give your speech in your daily routine topic. I mean to just like suppose that this is a festival of Makar Sankranti and we are celebrated this festival today. So you just need to think some question from you like why we are celebrated this festival. This is the first question. What is the reason behind this festival? This is the second reason. And what is the importance of this festival? This is third question. And why should we do this festival? This is fourth question. And what is the benefit of this festival? You just need to ask yourself 3 or 4, 5 or 6 questions to you from yourself. Why are you doing this thing? What is the reason behind this thing? What is the benefit behind these things? You just need to ask some question. And how to do this thing? These are some few questions that you should ask to yourself. Okay, if you are not able to ask this question in English, then try to ask this question in your native language. Then write down this question on your notebook and think about all the question, all the answers. Okay, write some answer on your notebook and try to create some sentence in English. Okay, this is the right way to learn English speaking skill, because you know we are living in a different continent, we are living in a different country. Okay, and this is an international language, so we are celebrating different kind of festivals, different kind of rituals. So yes, all the rituals, all the festivals are different. Okay, but language is the same. So yes, you should learn this language according to your environment. You should learn this language according to your festivals. So now suppose I am celebrating this festival just like Makar Sankranti. So how to create some question on this festival? Now I'm going to give you some few lines about this festival, and also I'm going to tell you a short story. okay, and you just need to improve your English by doing this thing. I'm not saying that you should learn this story. You should you should create your sentence according to your festivals, according to your environment, according to your situation that you are facing currently. Now I'm going to just show you how to do this thing, okay. Okay, so we are celebrating Makar Sankranti. So there is a story behind this festival. Now I'm going to tell you a short story. So once upon a time there was demons and devil. They have an agreement. There was an agreement between demons and devil. Why don't we churn this ocean and came out nectar pot from it. एक बार राक्षसों और दानवों के बीच में समझौता हुआ कि क्यों ना हम इस ओशियन को मथ कर और इससे अमृत का कलश बाहर निकाल लें. देन दे स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट थिंग. तब उन्होंने ऐसा करना शुरू किया. सो आफ्टर चर्निंग अ नेक्टर पॉट केम आउट फ्रॉम इट. मथने के बाद अमृत का कलश समुद्र से बाहर निकला. सडनली वन डेमन took that pot and ran away. अचानक एक राक्षस ने उस पॉट को, उस कलश को लिया और वो भागा. So 4 drops of nectar fell at 4 places in this planet. 4 अमृत की बूंदें इस प्लेनेट में गिर गईं. These are 4 places like हरिद्वार, नासिक, उज्जैन एंड प्रयागराज. तो 4 स्थान हरिद्वार, नासिक, उज्जैन और प्रयागराज हैं. इट इज़ सेड दैट, ऐसा कहा जाता है कि इन चारों स्थानों पर 3 नदियों का संगम होता है. इट इज़ सेड दैट on 4 places there met 3 rivers, and because of fell some nectar drops in these 4 places, so it is said that if people bath in these 4 rivers, so their sins, उसके पाप धुल जाते हैं. ये कहा जाता है कि अगर पीपल इन 4 स्थानों पे स्नान करते हैं तो उसके पाप धुल जाते हैं. एंड यस, मकर संक्रांति इज द सेम दैट व्हेन समुद्र से अमृत बाहर निकला था. ओके, so yes, in this way you can create some little sentences in your mind. Don't think that you are speaking wrong or right. Don't think. You just need to start your journey. You just need to start thinking about what is happening, why it is happening, how is happened. These are some questions just you need to ask yourself and try to give some answer on it. Okay, so this is the story. And yeah, okay, that's why we generally, if we don't go out to bath in a river place, so we can drop some holy water in our bucket and we can take a bath morning, in early morning. In this way we can show our devotion to the sun. Okay, and we seems like, okay, we can we took a bath in a holy river. So we can imagine, हम ऐसा सोच सकते हैं कि हमने इस नदी में हमने स्नान कर लिया है और हमारे मतलब that is a thing that we can imagine. Okay, so this is the story behind this festival. And yes, that's why we generally take a bath early in the morning on Makar Sankranti festival. Now let's talk about Mahakumbh, because in this day this is the word is very famous, Mahakumbh. So in this year 2025, Mahakumbh started on Prayagraj place, and where 3 rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. Imaginary, it is said that विलुप्त है, सरस्वती नदी विलुप्त है. Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati river, there is a meeting point on Prayagraj on these 3 rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. So that's why all over the world people came there. And yes, it is said that in 2025 around over 40 crore people will take a bath in between 1.5 months. Okay, and first Isnan, first holy bath have started from today. So yes, this is the thing. It's a big thing to take a bath in people come all over the world, and they want to take a bath on Prayagraj. Okay, so yes, we all are, this is the festival of the Hindus, so there is a story behind this festival, so that's why people come all over the country and they take a bath. Okay, so that's all about this video. That's all I wanted to share with you, how to learn this language by using, our current environment, our current situation. So in this way we can easily improve our English. We should learn our culture, we should follow our culture, we should learn some story behind following our culture, and in this way we can easily improve our English. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like this video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I will meet you, I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram. And you can see the Dobby. Hey Dobby, 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 Dobby. Jai Siya Ram.